campaign for it to stay Turbo Island, which is basically, it's not really anything, it's like, yeah, people just hang out on it and drink and stuff like that. But they're trying to buy it and make it into a house or something, or 2 flats. So people are like, yeah, this is a big thing. There was a big riot for weeks over them opening Tesco down there. It's just the whole thing is meant to be like non-corporate, like local, everything. So like the Tesco's down there was riots for like 3 weeks at some house. But we ended up getting Tesco's anyway. But yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Do you want something? Because then I can order it and that's like part of me paying for petrol. Are you doing mostly film or are you doing mostly pictures? Don't take a picture of me. Please don't.